Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 3rd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Also today, please stay tuned until the end of the video because I have another service that I want to tell you about. Palantir had a quite good day today. We closed up 13 cents, 0.49%. We closed at 26.64, all even numbers. And post-market, the numbers are still off. So what does this look like on the chart? We are making a higher low. We have a green candle, so it means that we opened at a certain price and we closed higher. Okay, that's always nice. But we made a lower high a little bit, and we are still going along this resistance. I am quite surprised. The stock is really hugging this resistance. It has been hugging that resistance for the past 5 days. This shows a lot of strength in that stock. I cannot explain it any other way. If you can explain it any other way, let me know in the comment section below. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. This is 9:30 here. So we broke out of this upward channel that we had a little bit here. So this is on the hourly chart. We have sometimes different lines for the 1 hour chart, more short-term lines and trend lines than on the daily chart. So we broke out of that support there, but we had this support right here that we just touched. So we touched and we basically validated that support. So this is a worthwhile support, at least on the hourly chart, because it was used August 30th, August 31st, blah, 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 and also today. Went down a little bit to that support and then came back up. Then pretty much the stock stayed sideways. We stayed sideways, quite higher in relative term than where we were down to that support. And towards the end of the day also, we were making higher lows. So slowly but surely, we were making those higher lows. And this is shown here in the stochastic going a little bit higher. And also, we can say that RSI is also inching up higher. Nice move for Palantir. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators. So stochastic is super strong. RSI is showing also an increase in strength. We are at 61, 66, and yesterday was at 61.19. So RSI is also moving up. MACD is also moving up, and DMI is also very good. There's a little bit of a dip on the green line, which shows the bullishness in the stock, whereas we have a little bit of a decrease in the red line, which is the bearishness in the stock. So all in all, super good for Palantir, and I keep repeating myself, but we are part of this channel, this higher resistance right here at 31 bucks. This is where we want to go. We are currently in the second channel. We have one channel right here that we stayed in mid-July to the beginning of August, and now we are in this second channel here, and we are scraping the top of that channel as if we want to chew on it, just like a mouse that wants to chew through a wall. It takes some time, and then when there's a hole, the mouse just goes through. So maybe this is what is happening here. Let me tell you about this new service. I get asked pretty often, would you do a technical analysis for this stock and that stock and that stock? I love doing technical analysis, but I don't have a lot of time. If I am going to do this, it needs to be worthwhile for me. So I was thinking of how can I manage this for one-offs like this, because you might want to invest in this stock and you just want to get my opinion on that stock, blah, blah, blah. So I thought of something. Tip me 20 bucks in the comment section below. Tell me which symbol you want me to analyze, and also tell me the name of the company. And on the following weekend, I will look at all of the comments and I will do one video containing all of the technical analysis of all the people that tip me in the comments. So this way you get your technical analysis on your stock that you might want to buy, And this is worth my while to do this additional work for you. And this is not becoming a member of this YouTube channel, so it's not a recurring fee. It's a one-time $20 fee per stock special request. Let's see if this is something that's useful to some of you. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. You can also join me as a YouTube member of this channel, $5 a month, where we look every weekend at Palantir and Tesla from a weekly perspective. And this coming weekend, we are going to look at the monthly chart to get a broader, longer term view of where the technicals are headed for these two stocks. This is Labor Day weekend, so there's a holiday on Monday, the same for Canada and in the US, so I won't be making a video on Monday. So I'm going to talk to you on Tuesday. I'm going to wish you a great long weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.